Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to change font color in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first you need to log in to your Squarespace account. Click on this website button below your desired website. Then go to Pages to locate the page where you want to edit your font color. Click on it. Now click on this little edit button to go into the editing mode. Double click the text to select your font and click on this white circle or text color icon and click on custom to get all of these colors from this tool. Let's go with this green color and click on anywhere in the page in order to exit or to close this window, and don't forget to save your work from this corner. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. To preview your work, click on exit and go to the preview mode. And this is how to change your font color in Squarespace.